Welcome to your TopDawg Retailer Dashboard, the command center for running your dropshipping business. In this video, I'll walk you through the key areas so you know exactly where everything is and how to get started. When you first log in, you'll see your main dashboard screen. This is your home base. From here, you can access the product catalog, manage store connections, check orders, and handle your account settings, all in one place, nice and organized. On the left side, you'll notice your navigation menu. This is where you jump between the major sections of your account. You can browse the product catalog, connect or manage your online stores, explore shipping options, view and track orders, and access resources to help you succeed. At the top of your dashboard, you'll find quick access tools. You can search the product catalog, see your retailer ID, and available credits. You can also see your cart along with your favorites list, notifications, and contact support button. Let's start with the product catalog. Our product catalog offers thousands of verified US-based products across a wide range of categories, from home decor and apparel to pet supplies and electronics. Each product includes images, supplier info, pricing, and real-time stock levels so you can make the best choices for your store. Moving on, let's dive into store management. TopDawg allows you to connect multiple sales channels and manage them from one central portal. Under Store Management, you'll see the option to build a new store along with your integrated stores import list. At the top of your left navigation, you'll notice your currently selected store. That's the store you're actively working with. You can click the drop-down to switch between your connected stores at any time. Keep in mind that the features and experience you see may vary depending on your selected store's plan and integration type. Next up, order management. TopDawg allows you to track every order from the moment it's placed to fulfillment. In the order management section, you can view your cart, order history, view saved or failed orders, and manage returns and cancellations, all in one place. On the left side of your dashboard, you'll find the My Membership section. This is where you can manage everything related to your account. You'll see options for membership plans, add-on services, payment methods, and payment history. Your invoices appear under Payment History, and in Membership Plans, you can view your current plan or upgrade when you're ready. And that's it, a quick tour to help you feel right at home. Now you're ready to dive in and start exploring your TopDawg dashboard.
Connect, simplify, scale. TopDawg, leading the pack in dropshipping.